Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code Chronicles. Today we are diving into an exciting topic in the tech world, generative artificial intelligence or Gen AI. But what exactly is it? Let's break it down. So in this video we were discussing about introduction to Gen AI, what are the fundamentals of LLM, prerequisites for Gen AI, what are core generative AI models, what are different types of LLM models, some key topics in Gen AI, deployment of LLM models, and advanced topics in Gen AI. So, our basic question is, what is Gen AI? Gen AI refers to advanced systems capable of creating new content, whether that be a text, images, audio, or videos. There are not simple algorithms. They built using complex neural network, particularly a type of called transformer. These AI systems are trained on vast amounts of data, allowing them to generate high quality and original outputs. For example, you might be more familiar with these technologies than you think. For instance, ChatGPT, it is an AI that can generate human-like text, making it is a fantastic tool for conversation, writing assistance, and even scripting, like what we are doing right now. Next, we have DALL-E, an AI that can create stunning images just from the text prompts. Then there Wiser, which can convert spoken language into text, and last but not the least, TTS or text to speech technology transforms written text into spoken words. Gen AI with LLM. LLM are deep learning models that are trained on vast amounts of text data. They primarily use transformer architecture, which help understand and generate human-like language. These models are crucial part of what we call generative artificial intelligence or Gen AI. Key features. LLM have several impressive key features. Firstly, they excel in understanding context by interpreting relationships between words, both semantic and syntactic. This means they can understand the deeper meanings and connections in language. Secondly, they can generate text that is not only creative but also logical and coherent. And lastly, LLMs are incredibly versatile through transfer learning, meaning they can fine tune to perform specific tasks more efficiently. Prerequisites for Gen AI. Python is most widely used programming language in AI and machine learning. It's favored for its rich library like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, and PyTorch, which makes AI development more accessible. Python is also simple and readable, which helps newcomers and experts alike streamline their code process. To effectively use Python in AI, you should start with basics, loops, functions, and object oriented programming principles. Then move on to the data manipulation with pandas and numpy and data visualization libraries using like matplotlib and occasionally seaborn. API integration, handling JSON, and deep learning with TensorFlow or PyTorch are also crucial areas to master. In deep learning, you need to understand neural networks, including layers, weights, and biases, and activation functions like ReLU, sigmoid, and softmax. Backpropagation is a fundamental for updating weights in neural network. More advanced concepts include transformers, attention mechanism, and optimization techniques like graded descent and Adam. For NLP, start with basics like tokenization, stemming, lemmatization, and post tagging. Advanced NLP involves name entity recognition, sentiment analysis, text summarization, and language translation. Understanding word embeddings is also a key. Techniques like word to vec, glove, and fast text help in capturing word similarities and nuisance. For consensual embedding models like BERT, GPT provide deeper context aware representation for more accurate text generation. Core generative AI models. One of the key players is BERT or bidirectional encoder representation from transformers. BERT revolutionized how machines understand natural language. It looks at the context from both directions in a sentence, enhancing tasks like classification and name entity recognition. GPT. Next we have the GPT,
or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which is designed specifically for text generation. The latest in this series, GPT-4 by OpenAI, is incredibly powerful, capable of generating text that can mimic human writing almost indistinguishably. Then there is T5, the text-to-text transformer. T5 simplifies the approach to NLP task by treating everything as a text-to-text problem. For instance, it can relate hello from English to French, outputting bonjour. Moving on to XLM or cross-lingual language model, which excels in multilingual tasks. It is built to handle translation and cross-language understanding seamlessly across multiple languages. We also have Megatron, a massive model known for its efficiency, its distributed training. It is designed to handle enormous datasets and complex learning tasks. Finally, there is M2M100 developed by Meta. This multilingual model can translate directly between 100 languages by passing English as an intermediary, which is a breakthrough in machine translation technology. OpenAI models. Starting with OpenAI, we have GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo, known for their advanced text generation capabilities. These models offer improved accuracy and enhanced reasoning abilities. Then there is GPT 3.5, which is less resource intensive but still incredibly capable. DALL-E, another groundbreaking models create detailed images from text prompts. Whisper, which converts audio to text, and TTS or text to speech, produce human like speech inputs. Moving on to Meta AI, they have introduced models like LLAMA and LLAMA 2. These are efficient both for academic research and practical application and are designed to be cost effective. LLAMA 2 is particularly notable for its open source availability. In the open source arena, we have Bloom, a community built model that supports 46 languages, making it incredibly versatile. Google Palm specializes in multilingual tasks, while Falcon stands out as a high performing royalty free model. Claude design with a focus on safety and interpretability. Lastly, Gemini for Google DeepMind represents a state of art model in AI research. Let's start with prompt engineering, a crucial skill for maximizing the performance of LLMs. For example, climate explain climate change. A poor prompt might be it's too broad and lack of context. A better prompt is explain climate change in simple terms to a 10-year-old child. This prompt is clearer and tailored to a specific audience, ensuring the response is more useful and understandable. Let's look at some key APIs. OpenAPI offer access to models like GPT Whisper, DALL-E, Hugging Face. Hugging Face provides API to deploy pre-trained models or fine-tune them of your needs. And tools Meta's tools include API for working with Llama 2, allowing for efficient and powerful API implementations. When developing applications, certain frameworks makes the process smoother. LangChain is great for building applications such as chatbots and knowledge retrieval systems. Hugging Face Transformer is ideal for training and fine-tuning models. These tools are essential for anyone looking to integrate AI into their project. For those working with cinematic search and LLM applications, vector databases are invaluable. ChromaDB, Viviate, and Pinecone are designed to store embeddings that facilitate fast and accurate retrieval of information. OpenAI Faces is another tool to consider for handling large scale data. Finally, let's discuss web app development. For the front end, tools like React and Vue.js help to create dynamic user interface. For the back end, frameworks like Flask and Fast API are the great for server side logic. Integrating LLM into your web application through these APIs can dramatically enhance their capabilities and user experience. Deploying LLM models effectively is a key to leveraging their capabilities. First, consider cloud platforms like AWS SageMaker, Google Cloud AI, and Microsoft Azure. These platforms offer robust environment to host and manage your AI models. Next is containerization. Using Docker, you can package your LLM application into containers, making them portable and easy to deploy across any environment. This is crucial for maintaining consistency in development, testing, and production. For larger deployments, Kubernetes is essential. It helps manage large scale deployments, allowing your LLM applications to scale efficiently and reliably across multiple instances. Moving on to advanced topics, let's talk about some innovative techniques in AI development. ChatGPT is the forefront enabling the development of sophisticated conversation AI applications. Another exciting area is retrieval augmented generation or RAG, which combines LLM with databases to generate up to date and accurate responses. PEFT or parameter efficient fine tuning allows for the fine tuning of a small subset of a model parameters. This method is cost effective and less resources intensive. Similarly, low rank adaptation or LoRA makes fine tuning more memory efficient, and QLoRA combines LoRA with quantization to further reduce memory usage, enhancing the efficiency of deploying these models in real world applications. This is it for today, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.